Look over there. An enormous weathered barge appears in the distance, laden with timber, slowly approaching the shore. And wow, it's unloading logs right into the river. The sight of those massive logs floating on the blue water is truly magnificent. Are you tired of those pesky tree stumps ruining your garden? Meet the GreenTech Piranha. This amazing machine can grind down large and small stumps with ease. With its advanced grinding head, it's the smart choice for clearing your garden. In the bone-chilling cold of British Columbia, a logging truck is loading up the last few logs. The snow has been cleared, so the truck can safely make its way back to the city. The driver must be a true warrior, facing the harsh weather head-on.
Couple of nice fur.
The LogMax 4000B cutting head is recognized for its exceptional continuous cutting capabilities. It effectively minimizes negative environmental impacts and plays a crucial role in forest regeneration, thus embodying sustainable value. It's not just about loading wood, it's a stunning display of teamwork. The Komatsu excavator and JD650G dozer work in perfect harmony, turning a challenging job into a masterpiece. What do you think about this collaboration? Oh, just look at him. Alone in the vast forest, he's like a solitary warrior battling the giants of nature. When you see him working with the chainsaw, you can't help but admire the effort he puts in. This isn't just a job for him, it's a passion for his craft. Yeah, the tall trees are being felled. The log trailer with its strong cables is ready to pull the freshly fallen trunks. Like a hero stepping into an adventure, hauling the logs, nature's gift, across the rugged forest trails back to the collection point. Isn't it amazing how such raw power can move nature's finest treasures? Each log it carries tells a story, defying steep hills and thick snow. This oak tree, after decades, stands as a testament to the resilience of nature. Its weight is lifted to the sawmill by the loader. And as the saw blade cuts through, the contrast between the rough bark and the smooth white grain is truly spectacular. Those large, clean timber slabs, they are the true essence of nature. Take a look at this, the Hockey Pilk 38 PRO firewood splitter. Just set it up, sit back, and watch it do all the hard work for you. I mean, it makes splitting wood look as easy as turning your hand. The truck flew up the hill so fast, I almost thought the driver took that turn too early. For a second, it looked like the whole thing was going to slide back down the slope. But wow, he pulled it off. What a move. A vast wood storage yard, and there's the Volvo FH16, looking like the king of the playground. It's just waiting for the trailer to drop off the massive logs, and when they're released, it's like they fall perfectly into place. Truly satisfying to watch. That's the John Deere 548 G3 skidding a huge log. Wow. It looks pretty heavy, causing the front end to lift up. I thought it had given up. But then it succeeded in pulling the log uphill. Behold the powerhouse of forestry. This beast, with a staggering 493.16 horsepower, is grinding wood into mulch, paving the way for a lush, reborn forest. Such machinery plays a pivotal role in sustainable forestry practices. The truck's trailer is struggling to lift it, teetering on the edge of the abyss. Oh, it looks like it's about to fall. Do you think this log will submit? The scene shows a log truck climbing a steep hill in the woods. The road is dusty, and you can smell the oil from the engine. The driver must have some serious